Thanks for signing up. Your site is already connected, and your 3-day Marketplace QuickPost trial is live right now. Next, load any car page from your website, give it a refresh so QuickPost can drop its tools in. Down in the right corner, you'll see Post to Facebook Marketplace. That's your new secret weapon. Click it. QuickPost grabs this page's data, pops a new tab, then fills every Facebook field in seconds. Now, when it's done, a green check appears on the car page. Listing live, next vehicle ready. Post 3 cars tonight, and if anything's off, hit contact support in the extension. We promise to address it fast. Time back in your pocket, more leads in your inbox. That's Marketplace QuickPost. Happy selling with Dealer Essentials.